Hi there and welcome to CobraTransmission.com. The TW-40LE is a transmission using some Fords, some Mitsubishi, some Nissans, and some Suzukis. Not for the US market, outside of the US market. We do have a master kit with pistons. What does that include? Let's find out. So the simple overhaul kit is going to have your gaskets, your seals, your sealing rings, and a few other miscellaneous items. There's an overhaul kit with pistons, which means you're going to get the overhaul kit and all of your bonded pistons. Then we have a banner kit. A banner kit's going to come with your overhaul kit and these frictions up here. Not the steels, but the frictions. That's your banner kit. The banner kit with pistons will come with your pistons. Then you have a master kit. The master kit's going to come with everything, including your frictions and your steels. And your master kit with pistons will come with everything, including your bonded pistons. So the master kit's going to be the most complete kit you have, because it's going to bring your frictions, your steels, your bonded pistons, and all of your gaskets and seals. And that once again is going to be a master kit with pistons. So there's kits for this one. There's a kit with and without pistons. There's an overhaul kit with pistons, an overhaul kit without pistons. You have a banner kit, which includes your frictions, which would include your seals, your gaskets, your O-rings, with and without pistons, and a master kit, which would be all of this, and then it's with or without pistons. I'm gonna leave links to, I guess that's about 6 kits. I'll leave 6 links below. Don't touch that. I'll leave 6 kits. I'll leave 6 kits below. 6 links below. Hopefully we can scratch all of that. I'll leave 6 links below to all of the different items. And in the description of each item, you're gonna have a filter that you could also buy. The filter is not included, that is sold separately. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I appreciate you watching. Please subscribe, like this video, like this channel, and give us a big thumbs up. Thanks, and see you soon.